latest version of Lumberyard just came out, so I just thought I would mess around with that a little bit this weekend. And in about I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, this is how far I've gotten. They've got a really, really good getting started guide for the latest version that I highly recommend, and I'm going to work my way through the whole thing. But right now, as you can see, I have just this big land mass, and I've applied a bitmap to it. There was a little bit of trickery on figuring out how to apply the bitmap texture. The videos actually show you where to navigate to get that, but for whatever reason, it's missing after you install Lumberyard and all of the assets and things. For whatever reason, the bitmap for the height map and also the bitmap for the materials textures, which is where I get this nice green. So in order to rectify that, they do have a height map available, which is what you see loaded here. And then what I did is I loaded this, let's see, if you go to open recent here, there is this level called GSG _2 _terrain. I loaded that up, and then what I ended up doing is going to Tools and Terrain Editor, and then you go into the Tools, Export, Import Mega Terrain Texture, and then what I did is I just exported the texture from the other file, from the other level, and then I was able to navigate and apply it to this guy. So anyway, if you guys start working your way through the video tutorial getting started series and you notice that the texture is missing, that's how I rectified it, because it bugs me to no end that they have this documentation and then they don't give you all the assets. So I didn't want to just keep moving forward with the video tutorial and not fix that. So anyway, if you run into that, that's how I came to figure that out. Anyway, but this is about as far as I've gotten. I'll go ahead and hit play here. You just got this little robot dude, and he can run around the level. So that's pretty much it. It's nothing super exciting, but in the next few series, it seems like we're going to be building some AI and some spawn points and a little game where this guy can fight against some other robots, that type of thing. So I'm just going to see how far I can get with it over the next couple of weekends and weeks. Maybe I'll modify it and see about shipping a little version of a game or something like that, and not get too caught up in the fact that I'm just following a tutorial series or whatever. I think when you're learning something new, like a game engine, it feels really good to ship something. It feels really bad if you learn all this stuff and you never ship anything. So I'm gonna just whatever I end up with over the next weeks and months, I'm just gonna ship it, and if you guys want to play it, great. If you don't, no big deal. I just want to show work and show that I'm learning this pretty cool game engine. I actually hope that they continue to improve the engine to the point where you can develop on different platforms. Right now you have to run it on Windows. That's my other thought on the game engine. I wish I could run it on Mac, or a Linux machine would be nice. Either way, but for now, I'll get over it. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this quick little update. Hope you guys stay tuned for more as I learn more.